Alright, Jackson, this is your first meal other than mama milk. Here. Mmm. Oh, baby likes it. You like it. Here. Mmm. Let me turn the lights on so we can see better. There he is. You like it? I guess so, huh? Okay, let me get more. Ready? You want more? Mmm. I think he likes it, Mommy. Uh-oh. You like it? Is it good? It's asparagus soup that Aunt Kay made. Jackson Source loves it. Okay. Is it good? You like it? No more?
Why do you do this? Because you had love in your head, and you gave it up.
Mmm.
You would if I hadn't done it. Your true love lives, and you marry another. True love saved us.
Hey, Jackson.
That's what she is, the queen of victims.
Here.
So go round her,
You want some more?
round to the queen of flies.
Here, look, here. One more? Mmm. Buddy. Here. Mmm.
Still live, but Buttercup's nightmares were growing steadily worse.
See, didn't I tell you she'd never make it?
It's good, huh?
Shut up.
Goodbye, Mama.
I love Wesley.